More than 100 households in Kambi Baraka village and another 150 in Lopur village, Katilu ward, Turkana South constituency have been forced to spend night in the cold after strong winds accompanied by heavy rains destroyed their homes. Details of this and other stories in our county news roundup.
More than 250 households in Kambi Baraka and Lopur villages in Turkana South have been left homeless after heavy rains accompanied by strong winds destroyed their homes last night. The affected residents are now appealing for urgent assistance, among them shelter, food and clean water.
Pepo ambao ulikuwa wa ajabu na iliweza kubeba nyumba nyingi zaidi katika area hii. Hata makanisa yakabebwa.
Tunaomba serikali ya kaunti itusaidie pamoja na national government, pamoja na wafadhili wengine watusaidie kwa hii janga la njaa.
In Trans Nzoia County, residents have been urged to remain vigilant following heavy rains that continue to be experienced in the northern Ufa Valley, raising fears of possible floods and landslides. The county government, in collaboration with the Red Cross and other disaster response agencies, has launched awareness campaigns to help at-risk communities stay safe and informed.
Watu wajitayarishe, yes, as they plan and do all these other things. Let them know that there are floods and they should be very, very cautious.
We normally have two seasons, that is March, April, May season and October, November, December season for Trans Nzoia County, where we experience floods.
Meanwhile, police in Narok County have arrested 6 suspects and recovered several electronics and gas cylinders that were stolen in Macedonia and Total estates of Narok Town.
Tumefanikiwa kufanya recovery ya items ambazo zimekuwa zikiibwa katika sehemu moja ya mji wetu hapa ya Narok, area ya Macedonia na Total. It's very unfortunate ya kwamba in the last few days tumekuwa experience cases of house breaking and burglary and robberies.
And residents of Zombo in Lungalunga, Kwale County have raised concerns of a severe shortage of medicines in local dispensaries, citing delayed funding from the national government.
Katika wodi ya Zombo tumekuwa na changamoto kubwa, hususan katika upande wa madaktari na upande wa madawa, ambapo katika hizi dispensary zetu ama hospitali zetu za ngazi ya chini kabisa zina hiyo shida.
Finally, Migori County institutions and private property owners are facing financial challenges in removing asbestos roofing following a government directive due to health risks associated with the materials.
6,362 square meters of this compound buildings are asbestos roofed. And that's a big challenge because it has been proved that these roofs are carcinogenic. They cause cancer.
Reporting for Easy Friday, I am Monica Maina.